So we've already poured the water into this bottle, and we are making elephant toothpaste.
Wait, can I smell it, please?
Here we are stirring the yeast and peroxide. Is this the yeast and water?
I think that might
That's the water, by the way. It's not hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah, that's.
Yes, it smells like bread.
It smells really good.
Yeah, that's yeast and water.
Wait, where's the
Get out of there.
Slash.
Jay, Leah, Jackson, Griffin,
I want to pour it.
Sarah, Nathan, Kelly, Sophia, and this guy.
This guy. Maybe she's not in a bad mood. We can ask her for time.
Okay, Jay is stirring up the...
Alright, you guys ready? Excuse me. Hold on.
Uh-oh, the soap.
Oh, she's pouring in the soap.
Pouring in the soap. Watch out, it's gonna
Just regular dish soap. Just regular dish soap.
Ooh, it's green. And now they're mixing it. And look at Jay. Jay is stirring it so softly.
3 drops.
So
instead of
soft.
2.
Oh, we got 3 drops.
So we get 3.
We're special.
Oh my god, this smells so good.
Alright. We're going to do one at a time this side so we can both use the funnel. We're going to do one at a time. Back up a little bit, Sarah. Okay, hold somebody hold
Alright.
this.
Hopefully it'll work.
Okay.
Wait, is this the part that's supposed to
3.
work?
Alright, ready?
1.
Move the funnel.
Take it out.
It finally worked, unlike yesterday.
What made it work? I don't get it.
That's what made it work.
It's still going, it's still going. Let's get number 2. Here goes number 2. Oliver, I got it right here.
We have to take the funnel out.
I'll post it on Edmodo. Guys, I'll post it out. Oh, here it goes.
The popsicle stick got buried.
Yours is a lot darker than
This is going on Edmodo.
We mixed ours.
Oh, yeah. Who dares me to stick my finger in it? Oliver! Kellen! Kurt! Mackay!
Oh my god.
Brian,
still going.
Ours is still going. Look at that. Look at this. See, that's my hand right there.
It just feels like
Oh, it's warm. Oh, that's nasty and warm. Priya.
It's so warm.
Feel inside the bottle.
Yeah, I know. Just stick your finger inside.
Dump the bottle out.
Stop. No, she said not to.
That feels good. Don't get it on the table. It already did. This is crazy. Oh, it's still overflowing. Nathan,
Guys,
you're
they're just making it spill. You guys are making it spill. Oh my gosh. Guys, stop. You're making it spill.
Oh my god.
I'm not cleaning that up.
I need you.
That's crazy. Whoa, look at that. Here's the water bottle. Look at that. That was awesome. This one's still going over here. Look at that.
Oh my god. Look at that. It's still going. Guys, look, it's still going. It's still going.
Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. You're busted.
You're getting it all over the table. You're gonna get it on your phone.
Boys and girls, I need everybody's attention.